Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing another video on homemade cleaners. We're actually doing this video on a bleach alternative. Whenever you're out there and you need a little bit of bleach and you don't want to go spend $8 for a jug of bleach right now, I'm going to show y'all in today's video how you can make a bleach alternative at home. Using what you probably already have at home, you can make homemade bleach. Let me show you how. And I'm going to warn y'all ahead of time. This stuff reacts the same way as bleach. So don't get it on any colored clothes or anything you would not want bleach on, because it will bleach your clothes just like the store-bought bleach. So let's turn around here and I'm going to show y'all how to make this homemade bleach alternative that you can use to save money. Let's get started. Okay, let's go over what you're going to need to make this bleach alternative. You're going to need 2.5 cups of water, 1 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and then you're going to need 1/4 cup of 100% lemon juice. You can either use a real lemon till you get and squeeze out 1/4 cup, or you can use the store-bought lemon juice. I'm going to go with the bottle today, but I was just going to show you that you can use real lemons, but they're a little pricey right now, so we're going to stick to the lemon juice. So let's start mixing it up. It's simple and easy to save money. So if you're like us and you're on a septic tank, Travis always tells me, don't put a lot of bleach in our septic tank. It's bad for your septic tank. So this is an alternative for that too. You can even use it to clean your toilet bowls. You can use it in your laundry. You can even use it, I've used it like to clean our camper with. Like you use the bleach cleaning spray. I'll use this in a spray bottle and use it the same as the bleach cleaner. So let's get started mixing this together. It's so simple. It only takes just a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to use this empty plastic container to put mine in. You can use a big mason jar or even an empty bleach bottle if you save them. So we're going to go ahead and add our 2.5 cups of water. 1 1/4 cup of the hydrogen peroxide. And this big bottle right here was even on sale for 80 cents. So when you can find it on sale, it's a good time to buy it, to do stuff like this with. And it takes 1 1/4 cup. And now we'll shake this up, and we're going to be using 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And if you want to make a bigger batch, just double this recipe, and that'll give you almost a big mason jar full. Because I have used the mason jar before. And then once you get it in there, just give it a shake to get that lemon juice and that peroxide mixed together good. Okay, that's what it looks like. And this right here, this is an old towel, so I'm not worried about it since it does have some blue in it. But it will bleach your clothes out just like bleach. And it works good on like white dish towels and your white towels. You can use it in any kind of laundry that you would use the regular bleach in. And like I said, it's good for cleaning your bathroom, for the toilet bowl. It's a good way to save money. And now what I do is I just save me an old bottle that has the spray on it. And what I'll do is I'll just pour my bleach cleaner that we made in my bottle. And I'm going to try to do this without spilling it. Let's see if I can. Okay, I'll save that little bit for my laundry, and I'm going to use this bottle to spray with. So let me turn you around here and show you how it works. And my sink is a cast iron white sink. And you can see how it's taken up those black spots. It's not perfect, but it's working. I still see a few little spots right in there. But if I kept putting some mussels and some scrubbing, I could probably get every bit of that up. But I'm sort of trying to hold the camera and wipe at the same time, y'all. That right there is just a way that you can help yourself save money and time by making your own bleach alternative bleach instead of buying the gallon of bleach that costs right now almost $8 by using hydrogen peroxide and lemon juice mixed with water. Okay, y'all, that's our video on how to make homemade bleach at home. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I'll link some more videos of our homemade cleaners down below. You might be interested in watching them. And if you like them, share them. Thanks for watching.